How you doing? My name is Trenius Henderson. You're tuned in to the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. How you doing, Starseed? Don't I have something for you? That's right, money. In this video, okay, I'm gonna reveal to you how to speak money into existence. Just do this, what I'm about to tell you, and you will have money just like I got right now in my hand, okay? Speaking money into existence. You probably been taught all your life, like you gotta work for money. You know, you gotta get a job, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, you gotta do all this stuff, which most of the time you don't even feel like doing to make money, right? I know, right? Because that's how I was taught on how to make money, okay? But nobody ever told me that I could speak money into existence, all right? And ever since I've been speaking money into existence, money has literally been coming into my reality. I mean, no lie, no joke, okay? So here's what you have to do in order to have money, okay? Here's what you got to do. The first thing you got to understand is that now it's all about your words, okay? It ain't about what type of money you make, what type of career that you in, what type of job you have. Listen, your whole reality, okay, is made up of your words. Everything that you have been saying up to this point has literally been creating your reality that you are experiencing right now, okay? Now, what you got to do is you got to start speaking money, okay? This makes a lot of people feel weird because, like I said, most people are programmed to be broke and to shun money, okay? Any type of money opportunities come around, people have a natural tendency to just, nah, I don't even want it. No, you don't got to pay me. I'll do it for free. Nah, I don't need it. Keep it. It's good. Most people, that's how they think, okay? But once you know how to speak money into existence, this changes your whole paradigm, okay? So one thing that you got to do in order to receive money is you got to start thinking really big about money, okay? Now remember, most people think small about money, okay? They have a limited point of view about money. They think in terms of $100. Oh, that's a lot. $1,000. Oh, that's a whole lot of money. I can't buy that. That's for $1,000. You know, most people think about money with a lack mindset. So what you got to do, since now that you know it's about speaking money into existence using the law of attraction, what you have to do is start thinking big numbers, okay? This is one of the things that I started doing to attract money to me, okay? I started thinking big numbers, such as 10,000. Oh, that's a little bit. 30,000. Nah, that ain't even enough. That's a little bit of money. $100,000 for this car. Oh, that car is affordable. I can buy that. See, here's the thing. The universe is listening to your every word. Whether you want to believe it or not, the universe has ears, okay? Remember, you're constantly creating your reality with the words and the phrases that you say, okay? So you got to start saying things like, that house costs $1 million. Oh, that's affordable. I can afford that. See, you're speaking money, okay? You're speaking money into existence, because once the universe hears that you think this big about money, the universe will begin to give you ideas in your imagination to help you get that money, okay? The universe behind the scene will set up opportunities for you to be able to inherit that cash in ways that you can't even imagine, okay? Speaking things into existence is powerful, all right? This is gonna change your whole entire life. So you gotta start saying things like, $12,000. I'm about to get $12,000. I mean, you could just be walking, just chilling, and you just thinking to yourself in the park, like, I'm gonna get $30,000 this week. Just keep saying it, keep saying it. Even though you might not get that $30,000 in that week or even a month, that $30,000 you have spoken into existence. It has to come to you, okay? Another thing that you wanna do to speak money into existence, just do this. Affirmations are powerful, all right? If you use affirmations to speak money into existence, the money will come into existence. Literally, it will. But you have to get yourself into a habit of speaking affirmations, all right? Affirmations, law of attraction loves affirmations. One of the affirmations that you can adopt that I use is, I make a lot of money. I make a lot of money. I remember when I used to get paid like $15 an hour. That wasn't enough for my lifestyle that I wanted to live. So when I learned how to speak things into existence, I would say, I make a lot of money. Even though I probably didn't have no money in my bank account, all right? Or even though I was struggling to pay $800 rent, all right? I would still say my same affirmation, I make a lot of money. I make a lot of money. When you begin to feel that financial lack feeling that was programmed into you come over you, that's when you speak the affirmation back to that thought that comes and says, you broke. You don't make a lot of money. You got to speak over things that be not as though they were. So when you have this negative feeling bubbling up in you, telling you how you're never going to have any money, how you're never going to get rich, you got to speak back to that thought and say things like, I make a lot of money. Or another affirmation that you could use is my favorite, I am rich. I am rich is a really powerful affirmation. When you say I am rich, you're basically saying I'm rich. The universe hears it, and the universe will begin to create prosperity in your reality all around you, because this is what you are saying out of your mouth. You're no longer saying things like, I ain't gonna never get no money. I don't make a lot of money. I'm broke. Oh man, I can't afford that. That's too expensive. You no longer say things like that now, because now you know that speaking things into existence is constantly creating the reality that you're living in. All right. This is a totally different way of living life when you learn the power of your tongue. OK, you can speak it, the life into your life, or you can just speak death in your finances. OK, which a lot of people do. So what you got to do is you got to use affirmations to speak things into existence, because your subconscious mind is recording everything that you say. It's constantly listening to everything that you say all the time. When you are speaking things into existence, your subconscious mind is recording it like a recording data tape. Okay, it's like, oh, I heard her say that. So in the future, when you don't remember to say I am rich, your mind will remind you, no, remember yesterday you said that you are rich. This is how you speak things into existence. Just do this. If this video is resonating with you right now, simply just give this video a thumbs up right now and comment below, I make a lot of money. Just leave a comment below right now and say, I make a lot of money, or just say, I am rich. Speak it into existence. Make sure you subscribe to this channel after this video. So another thing that you got to do to speak money into existence using the secret law of attraction is you got to get in the habit of speaking to the universe. All right. You got to get in the habit of looking up to the heavens and commanding the heavens to rain money down on you. All right. Now, this is very powerful, because when you say to the heavens, money rain down on me, you are convicting it. You are demanding and commanding the universe that you want this money right now. OK, so I suggest you do that even after this video. Just look up to the sky. OK, just look up to the sky. Thank the universe for the money you got to receive. Just say money rain down on me. Just say money rain down on me. That's another thing that I do in order to speak money into my existence. I ain't lying. This money and stuff that I be getting, I learned how to speak it and use my mouth now. And I'm not saying that to brag or nothing. I'm just telling you the power of words. OK, so remember, when it comes to speaking money into existence, it might take some time. It might take some time for you to get it right. OK, you might still feel distraught because you don't have the amount of money you need in that moment. But remember, in that moment, when you feel depressed or when you feel this sense of financial lack come over you, that's the time you can put a new thought into the data bank of your subconscious mind. I make a lot of money. You got to keep saying this, because you're constantly being heard by the universe. And over a course of time, you will notice that you will have more money. Like, you will randomly just come across money all the time. You will notice that you have more money in your wallet, in your purse. You don't even know where this money coming from. You might check your bank account. I know some people that learn how to speak money into existence. They check their bank account. They don't even know where the money came from. They look in the mailbox. They don't even know why they're getting a check. This is how the universe brings you money if you just do this. Okay, so I hope this video resonates with you. Trust me, this works. This works like magic. Okay, remember, you are creating your financial lifestyle based on the things that you speak into existence. Speak money into existence. All right. I'm your life coach. I'm Trenius Henderson. Somebody please turn on the AC trend hot right now. Starseeds, living in a starseed world. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right there by clicking my face icon. Click that face icon and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload new money videos like these two right here. Yeah. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I love y'all. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.